Welcome to 447 Linnie Canal. This new construction Venice Canal home offers exquisite craftsmanship and superb quality throughout. You have over 3,000 square feet of perfectly designed living space, featuring an open and seamless floor plan, full smart home animation systems, and a custom glass and stainless steel elevator, all located in one of the most desirable areas of Venice. On the second floor, you will find 2 bedrooms, each with their own bath. The canal-facing master suite is stunning and features a generous walk-in closet and chic master bathroom. The third level features 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and custom skylights, infusing the space with natural light. The rooftop deck is the perfect space for entertaining and enjoying the panoramic views of Venice. This stunning tri-level architectural home on the Venice Canals is truly a work of art.